Southeast of Mount Kinabalu, in Gunung Mulu National Park, the flow of water over millions of years has carved out one of the largest cave systems on Earth. In the depths of the caves, it's permanently dark and damp. But even here, there's life. Cave swiftlets use clicks as a form of sonar to navigate through the darkness and reach the spot they've chosen to raise their young. The nest site is high on the cave's slippery walls, and with no building materials available, the swiftlets adapt to making their own out of spit. The bird's saliva is perfect for sticking to the cave wall, and it dries rock hard on contact with the air. Even so, it may take 2 months of work before a pair has completed their nest and are ready to breed. Each one of these ingenious nests is worth its weight in gold. They're gourmet delicacies, the main ingredient of bird's nest soup. For the birds, though, the nest allows them to raise their young out of reach of most predators.